Faster, Strickland. Faster, 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 faster. The more you spin, the easier it gets. You only sputter for 30 seconds, Strickland. You gotta go another 30 seconds. I'll tell you when to stop. More. It hasn't even been a minute yet. Let's go for a minute.
Hold on. Ready? Get ready?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I love you.
She's trying to get away. So I'm getting into night hunting, and these are my pants right here that I use for night hunting. This is the top half, the bottom zips off. So in here I've got some blood from chicken blood from this chicken bag right here. So I put the legs of my pants in here, give them a nice good shake, and use this and start hiking with my pants covered in blood to make the trips more adventurous. That's just how I want to do it.